الصلاة والسلام عليك.
The mosque is very beautiful, isn't it? Right now, I will inform you the history, the development, and estimated congregation in Roudhotul Muchlisin Mosque. The history of establishment of the Roudhotul Muchlisin Mosque. This mosque stood on land that was donated by Mr. Mohammad bin Said in 1978. And after several months, it was planned to build this mosque at that time. Over time, this mosque was finally able to stand. And after the establishment of the Roudhotul Muchlisin Mosque in 2010, this mosque underwent a total renovation. But the renovation had to be delayed for 5 years due to problems with the mosque fund, which were jammed. Then, finally, in 2016, the renovation of this mosque was continued and controlled by Mr. Haji Hendi, who served as regent, and renovation, which was held by Haji Hendi, only lasted 1 year until in 2017 the Roudhotul Muchlisin Mosque was finally inaugurated by Kiai Haji Ma'ruf Amin. Then, the development that occurred while this mosque was standing were in terms of parking for vehicles, which was very adequate, bathroom that had been prepared by the mosque, a food court to provide service to the worshippers. Then, the last development, namely a fountain facility that worshippers could enjoy its beauty. The last one is estimated congregation that comes to the Roudhotul Muchlisin Mosque. According to the information from our sources person, there are around 1,000 people who come to this mosque per day.